Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your DoorDash taxes using FreeTaxUSA. First, you'll need to gather your essential tax documents. This includes your Form 1099 NEC, which DoorDash sends if you earn $600 or more. Also, compile all records of your business expenses. Then, simply log into your FreeTaxUSA account or create a new one to begin the process. Once you're in FreeTaxUSA, head to the Income section, specifically Business Income, Schedule C. Here, you'll input your total DoorDash earnings as reported on your Form 1099 NEC. Remember, even if you didn't receive a 1099 form, you are still required to report all income earned. FreeTaxUSA will guide you through entering these details accurately. Next, it's time to claim your valuable business expenses. In FreeTaxUSA, locate the Expenses and Assets section under your business income. You can deduct costs like mileage, using either the standard mileage rate or actual expenses, a portion of your phone bill, and other supplies. Accurately reporting these can significantly lower your taxable income. Finally, take your time to thoroughly review all the information you've entered. Double-check your income, expenses, and personal details for any potential errors. FreeTaxUSA provides accuracy checks to help you. Once you're confident everything is correct, you can electronically file your federal and state tax returns directly through the platform. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.